You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and this is exciting. I'm very excited for this because not only do we have a new Cricut mystery box, but this is a mystery box many of you have been asking for a while now. So what is it? The Cricut Candle Glow Joy mystery box. Now I know you're thinking like, Joy? Well, we've had Joy boxes before. What's new about that? But you haven't had a Joy Xtra mystery box. So this is a box filled with stuff for your Joy Xtra. So, and it has a cutie. Now, it's not a new cutie, but it is a gorgeous cutie. So we're gonna go ahead, take a look and see what all items are in the Candle Joy Xtra mystery box. First things first, what cutie are we getting? Well, the cutie we're getting is the True Pink Cutie. So the True Pink Cutie is a beautiful soft shade of pink, like pastel pink. And this cutie came out first in the Pink Disco mystery box, which I believe was June 2023, June or July 2023. So a beautiful pink cutie there. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop up here the True Pink next to a couple other cuties so you can see the differences in their colors. Okay, now that we got the cutie, let's go ahead and dive in. We're getting the Cricut Joy Xtra Smart Vinyl Removable, and this is the black color, and you're gonna get 9.5 inches by 3 feet. Now, just to know, I always like to remind people with the smart materials in it, if you have the Joy Xtra, you can totally use any of these materials in the box matless. But if you don't have a Joy Xtra, no worries, because you can still use all the smart materials. You will just put them on a mat then. And we are also getting a roll of the red in that same matte smart removable vinyl. And a tube of the white also. You can never have too many of those colors. White, black, and then especially red this time of year. Speaking of red, we are also getting the Smart Joy Xtra Iron-On. Now this is gonna be 9.5 inches by 24 inches. And another thing that's perfect for the holidays is this color, because we always need some sparkle. I'm a big believer in that. So this is the Gold Glitter Iron-On, and you're gonna get 9.5 inches by 19 inches of that sparkly goodness. And if you have gold sparkly, you need some silver sparkly. So we are getting just that. We're getting the silver sparkle glitter. We're getting the silver glitter iron-on in that Smart Joy Xtra. And we are getting a sampler. Now this is the Sea Sparkle sampler. So in it, you're gonna get 3 different colors. Each sheet is gonna be 9.5 inches by 12 inches. 3 colors in here are mint, which is at the top, which is the soft green, coral, and then the beautiful rose gold also. So actually, we got lots of sparkly goodness in this box. And more sparkle, because we are getting Cricut Joy glitter pens. So you're gonna get a pink, a blue, and a green, and these are a 0.8 tip. Now these do work in the Cricut Joy and the Cricut Joy Xtra. They won't go in your other machines per se, but you can still always use them to write with or whatever. Something we never have too much of, black pens, right guys? You're gonna get 3 of these pens, and these are gonna be the 0.3 tip. So a nice extra fine point. And I can't tell you the number of people who are always like, oh, I just need the black pens. So perfect that in the Joy, there's lots of little pen sets like this that you get 3 in, but how perfect that you can get just 3 black pens, because everybody goes through those. We are getting some writable vinyl. So this is Cricut's Smart Label writable vinyl. So you can just go ahead and have your pen and then have the machine draw on it for you. And also with this vinyl, you don't use transfer tape with it. So you just peel it and apply it. You're gonna get 3 sheets in here that are 9.5 inches by 13 inches. That's everything that's in Cricut's Candle Glow Joy mystery box. Now, the price of this box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but because we have our Cricut Cutie, you have to be Cricut Access to purchase, which every Access member saves on their purchases from Cricut, so that's not the price you pay. And as always, we have links below not only to purchase our box, which we greatly appreciate when you guys use those, but we have links to go ahead and join Access and see the perks of the membership, which there's over 1 million perks, literally, because of images and fonts and features and holy cow. Also on the links below, we have our current Melody Lane and Cricut giveaway, which one member is going to win $100 to spend at Cricut.com. And that one is only open for a few more days. And then when that one's finished, we're going to start another giveaway too. Because it's the holiday season. Speaking of holiday season, in the links below, I'm going to put a link to our post in our Cricut Design Space group too. I don't know if you guys seen this. This is the biggest giveaway I have ever seen Cricut do. Cricut is giving away to 10 people $3,000 cash plus a $300 Cricut.com credit to gift a friend a machine. I know. And yes, 3,000, that's not, I know I had to like read it and reread it. I'm like, is it really $3,000 cash? That's $30,000 for 10 people. But they want to see your stories of why you Cricut. So you make a video and then the 10 videos with the most votes is going to win this. And that is huge. And so many people could use that right now. So I think that is amazing. So make sure you guys enter those giveaways. Oh, and I'm thinking about this. I'm filming this early, but the day this comes out, it's actually Veterans Day. So happy Veterans Day to all of our veterans out there, which we are so incredibly grateful for. My husband is actually a Navy veteran himself, so we know just how important and how it affects their lives and what they really give to be a veteran. And we are so incredibly thankful for the sacrifices they made. So I say go hug a veteran today. Always appreciate you guys joining us. If you could, please give us a like and give us a comment below. Also hit that bell to subscribe. That way you don't miss when we have any videos come out or lives, and we will always bring you these mystery box reveals as soon as the box is released. That's the word I was looking for. As soon as the box is released. So thank you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful week filled with lots of crafting. I know we're like in hardcore crafting season now, so I feel like everybody's going to have. And then there's those people that are like, oh, I'm way ahead, I'm early. There's the people that are kind of steady through the season. And then there's those procrastinators at the very end. They're like, oh my gosh, I have so much to do. So in the comments below, I want to know, which crafter are you? Are the like, ooh, get everything done ahead of time and you can take it easy? Are you the, I just spread it out, you know, and kind of stay consistent through the months? Or am I like, I put way too much off, I procrastinate, and at the end, I am just bombarded with holiday projects. So let us know which one you are. And until next time, friends, happy crafting. Bye, guys. Toodles.